Okay, I'm back. You can see what I've done here. I've kept on adding chunks of clay, which I will demonstrate up the top here, and keep blending it into the tube. This is the fun modeling part. It takes some time and patience, but um, you can see that I'm only using what tool is available, which is, you know, I want you to use and learn how to use your fingers. So you can see how I'm attaching it. I'm just smearing it on there. A little bit of moisture with the my um, toothbrush with some little bit of water. Scratch the surface of the tube and attach. So it's tilting a little bit, but that's okay. After I get to the top, I will alter the top and then let the piece dry slowly, um, covering it with some plastic. But I want to try and actually show you how I kind of attach and model the clay. You can see kind of a swirling action that I'm trying to portray in the spiraling of the water spout. So I want you to try and capture that as your inspiration for texture with your water spout. And the clay will still be moist enough to manipulate and add more clay. But you can see what I'm trying to do here is to create that swirling pattern just with my fingers, my index finger primarily. And so I will take a look at it once I'm done and see if I need to add any clay in certain areas that might need it, because I might have a bare spot that is not really continuing the swirling pattern. So I want to make sure that I can continue that pattern. So over time, a bit of time and patience, um, we hope to get there. So we're just adding clay, moistening it, pressing it, attaching it on the tube. Again, the dowel is still inside in the tube, still supporting the form tube, but eventually it'll come out. Probably a little after I finish this up, or add what I mean by finish up. I mean add more clay and kind of complete the spiraling effect. Almost there. So you see, I just take chunks of clay and push it on the shell, which is the tube, and create that swirling pattern. I'll dab my finger in my water container and work the clay in and create those striations. Have my fingers just kind of slide on the clay and create the swirling texture. Okay. I think a couple more pieces should do it. Again, this is about, well, I didn't go all the way up. I mean, it's maybe about 14 inches now. 14 inches tall. Okay. Well, you can, I bet you can guess what part of the form will take the longest to dry. It'll be obvious, right? Okay, one or two more pieces. So I still will have to fine tune all my marks that I'm putting in, the swelling marks, but you can see I'm trying to shoot for that gestural quality and the spiraling effect of the water spout. Okay, let's see. So I have used, I'm almost empty with this 5-pound container. So approximately 5 pounds of clay I've used for this particular project, going this tall. I'd like you to try and make one that's at least 12 inches tall. So you get the full, you know, um, effect of building and modeling clay. Again, this is the Crayola white clay. Okay, I think I'm done with the modeling and, well, not modeling, but the additional clay parts or sections that I added that I still need to model, but yet but I have accomplished adding the clay that I needed. Okay, let's take a break, come back to it, and continue on the top.